Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Shaman J. Today, I'm going to bring it to you one more time. I recently put up a video about the Samsung Galaxy S23 lineup, but after I produced that video, I thought, wow, that quality sucks, and I owe my viewers better quality. I was testing out a new combination of something, and it just didn't play right. So here we are. I did have a follow-up though. This time about Samsung, but more so about the OnePlus devices. Now, OnePlus's device, the 11, currently is coming up on February 7th for the US market. The event is at 9 o'clock Eastern. So this is something that I'm really excited about because the price on it currently for the international version is only $699. And I think this is going to be great for consumers in the US because that's coming at a much lower price point than the 10 Pro. And the 10 Pro came in at what, $899, and now it retails for $650 or $699 basically. But this new version of the 11 pretty much is loaded up fairly well for it to be their next flagship device. And I think they're getting more, if they were to start using that saying flagship killer again with those prices and the right marketing, oh yeah, it's going to turn out really good. So I feel like OnePlus has always done fairly well. They do great overall. But you know, apparently in the US, it's all about how you market your devices. And I guess if a person doesn't know about them, they won't buy them. But Android devices, Google pretty much dominates a lot of the stock Android side of things. But there are a lot of other devices out there that are stock Android, like the OnePlus, that are really solid. And they offer a few more things out of the box than Pixels do. And for some reason, I don't understand the disconnect between people who like Pixel devices and why they might not like the OnePlus lineup. OnePlus, to me, has only struggled in the video category, and that is the place where Google struggled. That's the place where Google struggled. They're just now recently, with the 7 Pro, getting forward to add on portrait video, and it's only at 1080p, and it's only on the rear. Now, OnePlus, while they don't offer things like that yet, their footage has always been pretty decent overall. Google's footage has been a little bit better, but I don't understand, again, that disconnect on why a person would not like the OnePlus devices, but like the Pixel devices. Because when you think about it, OnePlus offers more devices than Google when it comes to that stock Android lineup. It's just a good lineup of devices, and I'm curious why. Why don't people like OnePlus devices? Do you really care that it's not getting marketed? That's not a reason to me to dislike a product because the marketing is bad. That means nothing to consumers. Consumers don't care about marketing and what the companies are paying for them. You should not care about that. I think that's only the tech field that actually starts to use this as an argument to make a device look better than what it is. So when it comes to the OnePlus devices versus the Pixel devices, I have gone on record multiple times. The 10 Pro feels worlds better than the 7 Pro and the 6 Pro and the 7. Those devices have that long, round feel, and it just feels better. The hardware is very premium on the Pro lineup. Just the OnePlus devices, period. So what is it that OnePlus is not doing for you to make you decide to choose the Pixel over them? Now, I know some of you guys are going to jump in the comments and say, well, the software support. Again, you're thinking more of a techie standpoint, or a standpoint to where, you know, that's your winning argument. Oh, it doesn't get software support. That has never been an argument until the tech world started to preach about that, start to say that this is a fact, you have to support the products. And I guess that comes into play when you start to spend a lot of money on devices. But in the end, we've always spent a lot of money on devices because we spend a lot of money on our bill as well, our cell phone bill. But I still don't understand why a person would be so caught up in arms about marketing or how a person's device or how a company's device is selling versus whether it's actually good. And the fact of the matter is, the OnePlus hardware is better than the Pixel hardware. The software is right on par with stock Android, if not offering a little bit more out of the box. So all you Pixel fans out there, why are you fighting against the grain, or why won't you buy a a OnePlus device. Don't tell me about marketing. Don't tell me about price, because the OnePlus devices technically cost less and offer a little bit more on the hardware side. So what's stopping you from buying a OnePlus next to a Pixel? Is it just that the Pixel has is like the top of the line still shot camera? Is it? Because all of Pixel's devices have proven that they take some of the best photos, if not the best in the game, for still shots. What is your reason for knocking down OnePlus? They have the Hasselblad lineup. Those cameras, when you use them, are phenomenal. They take great shots. But again, the Pixel cameras really do well for still shots. But is that the only reason you would not buy a OnePlus device over a Pixel? Let's talk about it in the comments. It's your man Jay. OnePlus 11, Pixel 7. Which one are you going with? I'll see you in the next one. Take care.